if you have a granuloma in your capsule space, we're removing that. Now, then the question is, do you put anything back? What do you do with that? Do you just heal? And that's another podcast for another day.
The option is you put something back. So if you can, preferably saline.
Yeah.
Or
no.
what? So aesthetically, you're gonna put a prosthesis of a soft.
So we talked about the shell and how it sheds, right? That's always going to happen from day one you put it in. If you're already impacted by the silicone, which for some it'll be a sensitivity, allergic antibody thing. For others, it's different. But think about, we were talking before we started this about the insula looking for its boundaries to tell the amygdala fight, 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 right? So if you already have your boundaries set and then you put new implants in, your body still has to heal and has to take care of that house around the implant. And your body's already system drained and depleted. Do you want to spend your money to do this? And then you're still going to have a chase to replace the deficiencies and make sure you can honor what your body has to do to keep that insula and that amygdala intact, right? Or not intact, but in check. And that's a hard game to follow. And usually those people end up ill again. It's a matter of time.